Hello children, welcome back to social class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the topic chapter 11, History of Writing. Children, the greatest gift human beings have is the power to understand and improve their communication skills. Children, earlier human beings used gestures and hand movements to communicate with each other. Eventually, gestures evolved into speech and language. Okay, children, now I will ask one question. Children, what do you mean by gestures? Children, it is nothing but a movement of the hand, head, and so on that expresses something. Children, once again I will repeat, a movement of the hand, head and so on that express something. Children, something that you do that shows other people what you think or feel. Children, what is language? Yes, the system of sounds and writing that human beings use to express their thoughts, ideas and feeling. Children, what is language? Yes, the system of sounds and writing that human beings use to express their thoughts, ideas and feeling. Children, language is nothing but is necessary to express inner thoughts and emotions, to fulfill our wants and needs, to establish rules and maintain our culture. Children, during prehistoric times, people used to communicate orally using gestures and signals. Okay, children, why we move to written communication? Information could only be passed to a few people. So, it is difficult to recollect the information. This led to loss of information while we passing it to others. So, the need to record information was felt, which led to the discovery of writing. Okay, children, next we will move on written communication. Children, the earliest form of written communication was through pictures. So, the earliest people how to communicate? Yes, the earliest form of written communication was through pictures. Children, the story of writing began when the early man tried to record his inventions for the sake of future generations. He started making sounds and actions and invented symbols to represent each sound. He started drawing several pictures in the curves to express his thoughts. Children, how did the early man express his thoughts? Yes, the early man started drawing several pictures in the curves to express his thoughts. Children, how did the early man express his thoughts? Yes, the early man started drawing several pictures in the curves to express his thoughts. Children, what do you understand by clips? It means directly represented objects and concepts were used. Children, the early human drew the pictures mostly of animals and things that he saw around him on the walls. Children, after pictures were replaced by symbols, hieroglyphs. What do you mean by hieroglyphs? Yes, a stylized pictures that are used to depict the actual object. Children, using pictures or symbols to represent a word is called hieroglyphs. Drawing and painting were the earliest form to express and record the thoughts. Children, drawing were easily understood by everyone. Children, the first pictures included animals like the bison, bull, horse, and everyday activities like hunting. We can still see some of these ancient paintings on the walls of Europe and Asia. People used symbols to indicate objects. Gradually, symbols were used to indicate different sounds and words. Children, what do you understand by hieroglyphs? Yes, using pictures or symbols to represent a word is called hieroglyphs. A stylized pictures that are used to depict the actual object. Children, the development of symbols led to the growth of the script. A script is a system of writing. Children, what do you understand by script? Yes, a script is a system of writing. Children, a script is a system of writing that consists of symbols, hieroglyphs, ideogram, mnemonics, so on. It is commonly agreed upon by the society. Children, what do you mean by hieroglyphs? Yes, using pictures or symbols to represent a word is called hieroglyphs. Children, what do you mean by ideogram? Yes, ideogram means a graphical symbols that represents an idea. Children, what do you mean by mnemonics? Yes, it means a pattern of letters or ideas which helps in remembering something. Children, the human beings developed the pictorial symbols to express his thoughts and it became the script of the language. Children, what do you mean by script? Yes, the alphabets of any language that helps to communicate. Children, people living in southern Mesopotamia developed one of the earliest scripts in the world. Children, I will ask one question. Who developed one of the earliest script in the world? Yes, people living in southern Mesopotamia developed one of the earliest scripts in the world. Children, cuneiform script was one of the earliest writing scripts in the world, developed in Mesopotamia. Children, the Sumerian of Mesopotamia were the first people to introduce a system of writing. Children, the earliest people using writing system began with symbols being drawn on clay tablets using a sharp-edged knife. Children, what is cuneiform script? Yes, cuneiform is a system of writing developed in ancient Mesopotamia. Children, the characters were usually wedge-shaped and the script was known as the cuneiform script. Children, the names come from the Latin words genus meaning wedge and form meaning shape. The wedge-shaped means style of writing. Children, in ancient Egypt, people used to communicate through hieroglyphs. Children, how to communicate Egypt people? Yes, the Egypt people used to communicate through hieroglyphs. Children, around the same time, the Egyptians developed a form of writing called hieroglyphs with both pictures, signs and letters. These scripts are difficult to read, write and understand. Most languages today use the system of the alphabet. Children, what is an alphabet? Yes, an alphabet is a standard set of letters or symbols which is used to write a language. Children, the letters of the alphabet represent the basic significant sounds of the spoken language. Children, the English language is derived from the Roman script. It is consists of 26 alphabets. Children, how many alphabet letters? Yes, there are 26 alphabet letters. The English language is written in the Roman alphabet which consists of 26 letters. Children, the constitution of our country has recognized 22 languages and they have their own script. Children, in India the old scripts have been found on the seals of the Indus Valley civilization. Children, the Indus Valley people had their own script over 3000 years ago. Children, it is still not understood. Later the Brahmi script was developed among others. Scripts used by various Indian languages merged from Brahmi. Children, one of the oldest writing systems that merged in India during that time was the Brahmi script. So, the oldest writing system was the Brahmi script. The Brahmi script originated in India around 2000 years ago. It helped in developing many language scripts. For instance, the Devanagari script used for writing Hindi, the official language of India. Children, the Devanagari and many other Indian scripts are based on sound. Letters are based on sounds, not on pictures. Our national language Hindi is in the Devanagari script. Children, the Devanagari script used for writing the Hindi language. Children, next we will move on numbers. Children, the early man was hunter-gatherers. Then he hunted animals and gathered food. There was a need to count the animals. Children, need to count the animals reared in his farm or the number of hunted animals. So, he started using the drawing of fingers, lines, dots, symbols, so on for counting. He even used broken sticks and bones for representing the counting. So, gradually people invented special signs or group of signs to show different numbers. Children, such signs are called numerals. Later on, the method of using the 10 fingers for counting became popular. This method of counting was first developed in India. Children, the concept of zero and the decimal system were also introduced to the world by Indian scholars. Children, who introduced the concept of zero and the decimal system? Yes, the concept of zero and the decimal system were also introduced to the world by Indian scholars. Children, the concept of zero was first used by Indians. The international system of numbers is based on the Indian system. Children, India is credited with the invention of zero and the decimal system, which means counting in tens. The international system of numbers is now based on the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Children, the Hindu-Arabic numeral system is based upon 10 different symbols, 0 to 9, which can be used to represent any number. Children, how did numbers originate? Yes, the numbers originate need to count the animals reared in his farm or the number of hunted animals. So, he started using the drawing of fingers, lines, dots, symbols, etc. for counting. Children, the concept of zero and the decimal system were introduced to the world by Indians. Children, next we will move on paper. Children, the credit of making paper goes to China. We learned to read, write and count. They felt the need to record the information. Children, in ancient times, we used clay tablets, big leaves or the bark of certain trees. Later on, we started using paper. Children, the Egyptians were the first to make paper from a reed called papyrus. The word paper comes from papyrus, a plant used ancient Egyptians for making paper. Children, paper was invented before printing. Thus, if the same piece of information needed to be disseminated, it had to be rewritten by hand on paper. Children, in 1798, Nicholas Louis Robert invented a machine for making paper in continuous rolls instead of sheets. Today, paper is used all over the world. Children, as a result, a number of trees are cut every year to meet the rising demand. So, we should not waste paper. The Egyptians are the first people to make paper from reed called papyrus. Children, the ancient Egyptians made paper with the stem of grass plant called papyrus. The name paper is derived from papyrus. Children, a material made in thin sheets that you use for writing or drawing on paper. Children, next we will move on printing and its advantages. Children, people began using books written by hand, which was a slow process. It is very costly as well as very few people were able to buy and read books. Children, printing is a process used for reproducing text and image, typically with ink on paper using a printing press. Children, printing is used not only for books, magazines and newspaper but also used for wallpaper, textiles, etc. Children, the first printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg of Germany in the year 1450. Children, the Bible was the first book to be printed. It is also very famous for Gutenberg Bible. The printing press made it possible for books to be reproduced in hundreds. Children, all kinds of other printed material are now available online. Printing is just as important today as it has ever been. Children, printing led to the spread of literacy as printed books helped in the development of schools and universities. Children, a number of copies would be printed in a very short time at a very low cost. So, books started reaching common people very easily. Children, the number of books printed was increased with development of printing. Children, the first printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg of Germany. Children, next we will move on books for the blind. Children, the Braille system, a method used by the blind to read and write, was invented by Louis Braille. Children, what is Braille? Yes, a script for the visually challenged. We are blessed that we can read books with the help of our eyes. However, visually challenged person cannot. A special script called Braille enables a visually challenged person to read a book. Children, Louis Braille invented the Braille script. Who invented Braille script? Yes, Louis Braille invented the Braille script. Children, each Braille character is made up of 6 dots positions arranged in a rectangle containing 2 columns or 3 dots each. In Braille, the letters are printed in pattern of small dots which are raised from the surface of the paper. The visually challenged person feels it with the touch of her fingers. Braille is read by lightly running the fingers along these dots. Children, the Braille system, a method used by the blind to read and write. Children, next we will move on literacy and progress. Children, the development and progress of a nation depends on literacy. Children, unfortunately in India, the majority of people are still illiterate. Illiteracy is one of the main causes for Indians' poverty. The government has now taken many steps to promote education in our society. The government given for free education to the poor people. Children, the development and progress of a nation depends on literacy. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about chapter 11 History of Writing book exercise. Children, write answer clearly in your book. First Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, the dash script is used for writing the Hindi language. Children, the dash script is used for writing the Hindi language. The answer is Devanagari script. The Devanagari script is used for writing the Hindi language. Second question, the symbols drawn on a clay tablets using sharp-edged knife are known as dash. The answer is cuneiform script. Children, the symbols drawn on a clay tablets using sharp-edged knife are known as cuneiform script. Third question, a dash is a system of writing that consists of symbols. Children, a dash is a system of writing that consists of symbols. Yes, answer is script. A script is a system of writing that consists of symbols. Fourth question, the concept of dash and dash system were introduced Indian scholars. Answer is 0 and decimal system. The concept of zero and decimal system were introduced Indian scholars. Children, fifth question. Dash invented the first printing press? Yes, answer is Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg invented the first printing press. Sixth question. The method of reading and writing used by blind people is called dash. Yes, answer is Braille. The method of reading and writing used by blind people is called Braille. Seventh question. The international system of numbers is based on the dash. The answer is Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Children, the international system of numbers is based on the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Children, next one, state whether the following statements are true or false. First question, Indian numerals adopted by Arabs were referred to as kins. Yes, answer is true. Indian numerals adopted by Arabs were referred to as kins. Children, the Arabs adopted the Indian numerals and called them hints. Second question, the first printing press was invented in London. The answer is false. The correct statement is the first printing press was invented in Germany. Third question, the Chinese made paper from papyrus. The answer is false. The correct statement is the Egyptians were the first to make paper from a reed called papyrus. Children, fourth question. The Braille script was invented by Louis Braille. Yes, answer is true. The Braille script was invented by Louis Braille. Fifth question. The English language is written in the Greek alphabet. Yes, answer is false. The correct statement is the English language is written in the Roman alphabet. Sixth question. The replication of text and images is possible due to printing. Yes, correct answer is true. Children, the replication of text and images is possible due to printing. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about question answer. In this question, write in your classwork note, write neatly and clearly. Children, first Roman, answer the following questions. First question, define the followings. First one, language, and second one, alphabet. First one, what is language? The system of sounds and writing that human beings use to express their thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Children, language is a system of sounds and writing that human beings use to express their thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Second one, alphabet. An alphabet is a standard set of letters or symbols which is used to write a language. The letters of the alphabet represent the basic significant sounds of the spoken language. Children, what is language? System of sounds and writing that human beings use to express their thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Alphabet means an alphabet is a standard set of letters or symbols which is used to write a language. Second question, define printing. What are its advantages? Yes, printing is a process used for reproducing text and image difficultly with ink either may be black or colored on paper using a printing press. Children, what is printing? Printing is a process used for reproducing text and image difficultly with ink either may be black or colored on paper using a printing press. Children, advantages of printing. Printing is used not only for book, magazines and newspapers but also for packaging, wallpaper, textile, etc. The first printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg of Germany in the year 1450. The Bible was the first book to be printed. Children, who invented printing press? Yes, the printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Children, next third question. How does the printing press work? A frame is made with small metal letters on which ink is spread. Children, type are small metal letters that have raised letters on each end is arranged into pages and placed into a frame. A damp piece of paper is used to make an impression on the paper by pressing it on the frame. Children, fourth question. What do you understand by the following? First one, clips. Second one, hieroglyphs. Third one, a script. First question, clips. Clips directly represented object and concept which were used. Early human drew pictures mostly of animals and things that he saw around him on the walls. Children, it means simplified pictures that directly represented object and concepts were used. Second one, hieroglyphs. It means a stylized picture that is used to depict the actual object. It was easier to draw, however, they had to be agreed upon by the society for everyone to understand. Children, using pictures or symbols to represent a word is called hieroglyphs. Third one, a script. A script is a system of writing that consists of symbols, hieroglyphs, ideograms, mnemonics, etc., which was commonly agreed upon by the society. Children, what is script? Script is a system of writing. Fifth question. Who invented Braille system and for whom? Explain how it works. The Braille system, a method used by the blind to read and write, was invented by Louis Braille. Each Braille character is made up of 6 dot positions arranged in a rectangle containing 2 columns of 3 dots each. The dots may be raised at any of the 6 positions to form 64 different letters. There are many books written especially for the blind people. Children, the Braille system, a method used by the blind to read and write, was invented by Louis Braille. Sixth question. Besides papyrus, what is the other method of making paper? Yes, in ancient times, we used clay tablets, big leaves or the bark of certain trees. Later on, we started using paper. The Egyptians were the first to make paper from a reed called papyrus. Children, the word paper is derived from papyrus. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about chapter 10, Communication Through the Ages worksheet. Check your answer in your worksheet. First Roman, multiple choice questions. First one, which of these is the method of mass communication? Option A, letter. Option B, telephone. Option C, radio. Option D, email. The correct answer is option C, radio. Which of these is the method of mass communication? Radio. Second question, which of these is known as the information superhighway? Option A, television. Option B, internet. Option C, radio. Option D, all of this. The answer is option B, internet. Which of these is known as the information superhighway? Yes, internet. Children, third question. Who invented printing? Option A, Johannes Gutenberg. Option B, Galileo Marconi. Option C, John Louis Bird. Option D, Alexander Graham Bell. The answer is option A, Johannes Gutenberg. Children, who invented printing? Yes, Johannes Gutenberg. Fourth question, which of these is used both for individual communication as well as for mass communication? Option A, radio. Option B, television. Option C, internet. Option D, all of this. Yes, answer is option D, all of this. Children, which of these is used both for individual communication as well as for mass communication? Radio, television and internet. Fifth question, this machine move around the earth in space. Option A, planet. Option B, smartphone. Option C, satellite. Option D, computer. The answer is option C, satellite. The machine moves around the earth space is satellite. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, copies of documents sent through this machine reach instantly dash. The answer is fax machine. Copies of documents sent through this machine reach instantly fax machine. Second question, the most popular method of sending spoken messages dash. The answer is mobile phone. The most popular method of sending spoken messages, mobile phone. Children, next third question, you require a computer and an internet connection to send such messages dash. The answer is email. Fourth question, the cheapest means of mass communication dash. The answer is radio. Children, the cheapest means of mass communication, radio. Fifth question, the most popular means of mass communication dash. The answer is radio. The most popular means of mass communication, radio. Children, next write true or false statements. First question, the mass communication became possible after printing was invented. The answer is true. Mass communication became possible after printing was invented. Second question, email is delivered to the receiver as fast as a copy of document sent through a fax machine. Yes, answer is true. Third question. The most popular means of mass communication is the television. Yes, the answer is true. The most popular means of mass communication is the television and radio. Fourth question. Television signals are sent to far away places through satellites. The answer is true. Television signals are sent to far away places through satellites. Fifth question. The internet cannot be used for mass communication. The answer is false. The correct statement is the internet can be used for mass communication. Children, next one, invention of the following terms. First one, telegraph. Who invented telegraph? Yes, Samuel Morse. Second one, telephone. Who invented telephone? Yes, Alexander Graham Bell. Third question, radio. Who invented radio? Yes, Galileo Marconi. Fourth one, television. Children, who invented television? Yes, John Louis Bird. Fifth question, printing. Who invented printing? Johannes Gutenberg. Yes, printing was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Okay children, I hope you all understand this chapter clearly. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.